Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about that PhD position available in Institute of Biochemistry and Biophysics, Polish Academy of Sciences. The title of the PhD is Molecular Link Between RNA Polymerase Mutation and Hypomyelinating Leukodystrophies. So, Institute of Biochemistry and Biophysics. Now I'll talk who will be the supervisor. So Dr. Thomas Torowski will be your supervisor, and there is a full funded PhD project. About this project is the human genome is transcribed by 3 RNA polymerase, and you can take a look about the description of that project. Long-term aim of our laboratory is to identify the mechanisms by which mutations in RNAb3 affect cellular machinery. The aim of project is to answer how mutation is fundamental machinery of RNA polymerase, essential for every cell, lead to tissue-specific disease. We aim to identify major cellular pathways affected by HLD-related mutation. Successful PhD candidate will explore 2 working hypotheses for potential molecular mechanisms of the disease. And the requirements of the candidates are hold a Masters of Science. You should have Master of Science, Master of Engineering, Medical Doctor or equivalent in the field, exact science, natural science, medical science and related discipline granted by Polish or foreign university. A person who does not possess the qualifications described above may take part in the competition but must obtain the qualification in question and provide the relevant documents before the start of the program at Doctoral School, March 1, 2024. The deadline of that application will be 13 January 2024. Okay, and the capacity to learn bioinformatics that should be demonstrated by at least one of the following: programming skills, fluency, Unix command line, previous experience or formal education, good understanding of data analysis and relevant statistics, passion for science and ability to work independently under appropriate supervision, solid knowledge in molecular and cell biology, proficiency in spoken and written English. What they will offer: opportunity to work on ambitious and medically relevant scientific problems using broad range of molecular biology, biochemistry, bioinformatics method in multidisciplinary team. They will also provide you the stipend of monthly about 4,000 PLN. You can convert this into your own currency. If we convert that into PKR, then it will be about 3.5 lakh rupees per month. The position with 100% focus on research, training opportunities, for good work-life balance culture. So you can take a look about the lab page here and IBBS web page. Deadline is, as I mentioned before. Selected candidates will be invited for the interview that will take place from 19 January 2024 to 26 January 2024. The requirement procedure will be completed until 31 January 2024. Okay, so yeah, to apply you need to click here. Okay, please follow the instruction in the program proposal here and then submit your application. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly guys subscribe to our channel. Take care. I wish you best of luck. Stay blessed, healthy, happy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.